We are pleased to show you the 2015 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, remote vehicle start, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.